Example 3. Write a rule for the translation of triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So specifically, if you're looking at color here, we have to get from the blue one to the red one, and order matters. Now, I'm actually going to write this in two different ways. I'm going to write it using the correct notation, where we take the point XY and we translate it into another point. This is what you saw on the previous two examples. And then I'm going to write it a second way by just saying left and right. Now, if I take this guy and I translate it to this guy, it looks to me like I have to go, first of all, in the X direction, right 2. Okay, and then once I get it sitting over here, it looks like I have to move it down 1. If I check my other ones, and let's say I go from A to A prime, I still go right 2 and down 1. So this is the first way you can write it, just right 2, down 1. The second way is I'm going to take my X coordinate and I'm going to move it right 2, which means we're going to add 2. Then I'm going to take my Y coordinate and I'm going to move it down 1, which means minus 1. The top version is using correct notation. The bottom version is just using an explanation. Number 4, write a rule to translate quadrilateral ABCD to quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So again, make sure you're paying attention to order. We have to take the blue one and get it to the red one. So I'm going to start with C to C prime, and it looks like we have to go over this way and down this way. So in my X direction, that is to the right 3 and then down 1. If I try that on another point, it's always good to check. Right 3, down 1, right 3, down 1. So this seems to be working out. So if I want to go right 3, that is X plus 3, down 1, that is X minus 1.